Me hear the voice in the morning breeze, whisper deep from the old fig trees. Me granny spirit still walk on land. Me know them guide I with unseen hand. Them call me name in the river song. So hold on youth, you must be strong. Me not forget where I come from. My bloodline stretch back long and long. It's an ancient call, can you hear it now? Sound from the hills and the roots below. Guidance flow like stream from high. Ancestors speak and Jah reply. It's an ancient call, deep and wise. Drum beat echo on the midnight skies. Not by might, nor by man-made law. Me rise each time me hear that call. Them try erase, them try rewrite, but still the truth shine in our night. Hidden scrolls and stolen word, still vibrating at every bird. I chant the song for spirit clean. My dreams stop back with holy sing. And when the world try twist my mind, I sit and reason with Jah divine. Calling on warriors of light, from dusk till the morning bright. It's an ordinary fight, we tried with ancestors in sight. So light up fire, let wisdom burn. Every lesson them leave we learn. This no fake thing for show off tall. This a roots man, hear Jah ancient call. It's an ancient call, can you hear it now? Sound from the hills and the roots below. Guidance flow like stream from high. Ancestors speak and Jah reply. It's an ancient call, deep and wise. Drum beat echo on the midnight skies. Not by might, nor by man-made law. We rise each time we hear that call. Oh, hear that call from Zion tall. But not stray, not fall. Ancestors call, guided by drum, we still come until Babylon done. We chant until Babylon done. Soft thunder and river chant echoes. The kingdom is from flesh and bone. Jah dwell within the temple true. That carries iron in all I do. No other crown can match I light. No rubber silk more pure than right. Me heart be firm like Naya Bingi. Me spirit chant from deep within me. Kingdom within me rule from high. No man can hear the soul apart. Just a patrolling out in chest. Even the storm is soul at rest. Kingdom within the wall, no chain. Me rise and joy, me rise in pain. No need for war, no need to win. When Jah rules strong in the kingdom within. His illusion run down pride, but never find what's locked inside. The silence speak more truth than crowd. The mix still shine when none speak loud. Me chant for the youth, them lost in fight. Tell them look inside, your soul is bright. You don't need title to walk with grace. Just clean your heart and hold your space. The kingdom not built with stone. Royalty come from soul alone. My palace grow from roots and tree. My spirit blaze like prophecy. No need army, no need sword. We speak with silence, truth we word. And when them fall from power skin, we still rise, kingdom within. Kingdom within, we rule from high. No man can hear the soul apart. Just a patrolling out in chest. Even in storm, the soul at rest. Kingdom within, no wall, don't change. Me rise in joy, me rise in pain. No need for war, no need to win. When Jah rules strong in the kingdom within. Who Jah within? We rule from high. Guide me still, no I can tear this all apart. I feel peace, kingdom within. They carry the name of my father, and it's before through fire and water. From Canefield to mountain top, my bloodline rise and not ever stop. Them try me right who we be, but still my name stand firm like tree. Every scar and never fight is carved in our soul like sacred right. I know where I'm from, no shame in our name. Africa to burn like eternal flame. Can't erase our system lie. My roots stretch wide across earth and sky. My name not heart, my name not soul. My story deeper than silver or gold. I walk with strength of ancestor call. Me rise each time me ever fall. Me granny tell I hold your head, even when you're sleeping on board instead. Better poor with pride than rich with shame. Better walk with truth than run with fame. So when me write in code. Me speaking drum beat ancient road. The lion live in a voice and tone. So even alone, me never alone. Me with me roots like crump and head. Me still a start when them books are read. Me come from glory, not just pain. Me name connected to Jah domain. So when my belongs I label I, me just smile and chant and cry. Me coming here not fade away. Me live forever in word and play. I know where I'm from, no shame in our name. Africa still burn like eternal flame. Can't erase our system lie. My roots stretch wide across earth and sky. My name not heart, my name not soul. My story deeper than silver or gold. I walk with strength of ancestor call. Me rise each time me ever fall. Oh, Jah carry I far. Back to where the people are. One name, one voice, one sound. Still standing upon sacred ground. On benefits. We were told deception, truth first illusion, and the price of selling out. There was a man who walked so tall, wore fine suit but so small. He took a piece, he talk of light, but doctors follow him at night. He smiled bright but never pray. He rise fast and fade away. People gather when he speak, but silence fall when truth him seek. No shadow, walk in the sun but heart stay cold. Soul and self is silver and gold. Now he cried a story untold. Only man with no shadow, fake light but no real flame. With your name but live in shame, lost in vanity game. He fooled the people, fooled the town. Building throne, then tear it down. He chant like prophet, move like king, but never grow no humble wing. He forget Jah chase crowd, talk so sweet but never bow. And when storm rise, he high face, truth expose the wicked place. You can't fake spirit with pretty talk. You can't hide sin when fire walk. Just see all from high to low, from root to crown, from seed to grow. Shadow tell who walk with light, but him had none, only hype. He rise quick but fall faster, cause vanity not safe from disaster. Disaster, disaster, grim shot ping. He was the man with no shadow, walk in the sun but heart stay cold. So and sulphur, silver and gold. Now he cried the story done told. So check your steps when roads seem bright. Not every fire is just light. Better walk slow or walk rock, 'cause shadow come from truth, not hype. Beside beyond the veil, we see them move. Them weird disguise but can't confuse. The chart with calm and chant real slow. Me hear what others never know. Shall life reveal all hidden face? Me walk with truth, not run no race. Them chase the glitter, me seek the flame. Me soul not play, no Babylon game. I am open to see it clear. Your message whisper in the eye ear. I am open to walk by light. Through darkest night, me still see the light. No blindfold, silent teeth and silver and gold. I am open, me overstand. Me vision guided by your hand. Me fast and pray with burning sense. Me rise up of the turbulence. No man-made plan control I fate. Me meditate and elevate. Me read the sign, me hear the tone. Even when me walk alone, I carry eye on sacred wind. Me crown not forged by earthly king. Yeah, me not see just with fresh eye. Me feel vibration of earth and sky. You know when danger alert behind, but you give wisdom feel all mine. So me chant and burn out lies. Me plant good seed, me love still rise. Them watch me step but me walk free. Me turn eye open eternally, eternally, eternally. Divine awareness, see through illusion. Beside beyond the veil, we see them move. Them weird disguise but can't confuse. The chart with calm and chant real slow. Me hear what others never know. Shall life reveal all hidden face? Me walk with truth, not run no race. Them chase the glitter, me seek the flame. Me soul not play, no Babylon game. I am conscious, divine awareness, divine awareness, divine awareness. Your message whisper in our ear, in our ear, in our ear. Higher consciousness, divine awareness, divine awareness. Walk by light. Through darkest night, we still see right, still see right. Yeah, in the sky, I am open to see it clear. Your message whisper in our ear. I am open to walk by light. Through darkest night, we still see right. I am open, no blindfold. Silent teeth and silver and gold. When we overstand, the vision guided by your hand. I rise in light. No shadow can block my sight. I rise, so slow, so high. Jah is near, not in the sky, not in the sky. A water effect, yeah, in the sky.